race number 11 is underway with the Niagara Harbour Hooligans in lane 1, the Ryerson DBC Rams team 4 in lane 2, the Ryerson DBC Rams team 3 in lane 3, and the Lively Dragons Blind Ambition in lane 4. Again, it's the Niagara Harbour Hooligans in lane 1, the Ryerson DBC Rams team 4 in lane 2, Ryerson DBC Rams team 3 in lane 3, and the Lively Dragons Blind Ambition in lane 4. Official results of race number 11 in